Hi, Ethan. So in this part, I want you to draw a rectangle that measures 3.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches, and then find the area. And then I will show you how to do that on the next slide. So pause the video here and do this problem. Okay, so do the same thing here. John wants to put down sod in his yard. His yard measures 20.5 feet long by 12 and 4/5 feet wide. Draw the yard and label it. So pause the video, find a scrap piece of paper, do this problem, and then go to the next video to see the answer. Also, if I make any mistakes on this video, could you please let me know so I can go back over that before your test. Thanks. Okay, now do this problem and then pause and before you go to the next one for the answer. So work it and then you can use the next slide to see if you got your answer correct. Okay, and lastly on this problem, if each square foot costs 55 cents, how much will it cost to buy the sod? So do the problem here, stop the video, and then check your answer on the next slide. Okay, now do this volume problem and then work it, see if you can work it out, and then look at the next video for the explanation. And remember that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. This will help you. Okay, on the next 3 slides, Ethan, just think about the following statements and make sure that they make sense in your mind. And I think then on the shapes part of your test on Tuesday, I think you should do fine. Okay, so read through these carefully, think about them, really make sure you understand them as you go into your test. So I will be praying for you. I hope your test goes really well. Bye.